Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the test point on Samsung Galaxy A12. Okay, remember that your phone needs to be turned off, so if it's turned on, simply turn it off. And now we need to remove the back plate of our phone to get access into the test point. And first, let's begin with removing the SIM card tray. So grab your tool and then take it off. You can place it somewhere next to you. And now, using a plastic tool, we need to place it near the edges, and then we need to, slide until the back is removed. Until it's not fully removed, until it's loose, because inside we have a wire in that place, and we need to be really careful not to, cut it. So now, using the plastic tool, we have to remove the back plate. Okay, it has jumped. Now we need to slide. Sometimes it takes a few tries, and you also need to add some pressure sometimes. But after a few tries, it should jump off. Simply keep going until it's done. Don't use metal because you may damage your phone. We don't want that, so that is why we are using a plastic. Sometimes it's pretty hard, but you just need to keep trying. Let's try with a bigger one. Maybe it will be a little bit better. Okay, we have one edge. Now we need to go with the top. Just like I'm saying, it's pretty annoying, but that's the thing. Okay, now it worked. Okay, finally it has jumped off a little bit on the edge. That's the thing that I wanted to achieve finally. Okay, and now I think that we should be able to remove the plate. Okay, and now be really gentle, just like I was saying. Don't remove it, you know, with your full strength. Now, as we go back with the back plate, we have this yellow wire as you take a look. The one right in here. And now we need to gently remove it, also using a plastic tool. So we have to remove it. Okay, it will jump out. Now we can place the backplate somewhere next to us. And now we need to unscrew those screws right in here above. There's 6 of them. So you need to use your screwdriver. Okay, now again we need to use a plastic tool, and we have this plate. Now by grabbing the edge we need to gently press it to the upside. It will jump off freely. Of course you need to be gentle, so don't use too much pressure. Okay, just like that, it has been removed. We can also place it next to us. Okay, and now before going out with the TestPoint, we need to take off the battery wire, which is right in here. Also, again, use the plastic tool. Okay, gently remove it. It will jump out. And now our TestPoint is located. Let me show you where exactly. I'll zoom in a little bit. We have those 3 dots, actually 2 dots right in here on the end of my tool. We have the wire and those dots, and the one on the top right in here is our TestPoint. And now to use it, you need to use for example tweezers like me, tweezers, my bad. And now you need to place one part of the tool on that dot, and the second part you need to place on this metal plate. This one I highly recommend. And now simply place it both edges like that. And now you can place back your battery. You can connect it, and then you can connect your USB-C cable. And thanks to that, we have access to the TestPoint. That's how you can turn it on. And thanks to the TestPoint, for example, you can perform a FRP bypass and many more things. So, just like I'm saying, this dot right in here next to the big wire, big tape, the one on the top, and then the second part of the tool. You need to connect both things like that. Then connect the battery and connect the USB-C cable. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.